How do you know if your roof has any years of life expectancy left on it? There are some telltale signs that you want to check for. Let's look at 4 examples. Okay, this is an approximately 10-year-old roof. The color should still be pretty good and vibrant. The shingles should still be crisp and in good condition. Here's another 10-year-old roof. When you look at it closely, very good granules. They're not washing off. The shingle still is pliable. It's not brittle in any way. Still has great color, good strength, no issues with walking on it. Doesn't look defective in any way. Look at this 10-year-old roof. Okay, this is a 16-year-old roof. Now we're starting to see some granule where you can see color change. The edges are not as crisp as a newer roof. When you look in the gutter, you may see granules washing off. The shingles are kind of getting thinner and thinner. Now you should still be able to walk on it and feel comfortable depending on the pitch. If it's too steep or if too many granules have washed off, you will feel that. If the granules are washing off, it's definitely a sign of age. Here you're getting some fading on the roof vents. That is normal wear and tear, but you should still be waterproof at this age. Here you can see the ridge caps are darker than the shingles. Sometimes they do kind of age at different rates. Now in my area, a 20-year roof is starting to get suspect. They typically need to be replaced between 20 and 30 years in my area. Okay, here is a 22-year-old roof, 22 years old. The granules are coming off. The shingles are showing wear. They've actually had to pay to replace ridge caps here, part of the valley. What is this? Blown off shingles. Here they have some blown off shingles, loose pieces there. And when you look up, you actually will see blown off shingles. That's ridge cap. That's ridge cap material, which is the very top venting of the roof. There you go, blown off ridge caps. So wind damage, the rust on the nails show age. This is, again, well over 20-year-old roof. They're paying for replacements on this roof. They're paying for repairs on this roof, but it really is time to replace. Now here's an extreme example. This is a 30-year-old roof. If you look carefully, you will see cracked shingles. 3-in-1 shingle tabs are starting to get horizontal cracks, blown off, wind damage, deterioration there, possible leak there. If you wait this long, you're going to have possible leaks and then mold and water damage. You don't want to deal with that. You do want to replace your roof before it leaks. And then over here on the left side, they've actually paid somebody to weave in new shingles. That's very inefficient, kind of a waste of your resources. If you're going to pay somebody to replace shingles with all that labor and material, just do the whole roof at once. Don't section it out or piece it out like that. If you want advice for roofing condition or possible roofing replacement, it may be wise to seek an independent person like a general contractor or a good handyman with experience. If you call a roofing contractor, they generally will tell you your roof has to be replaced, so you may want to seek out independent advice from time to time. If you have developed a leak in its isolated areas such as flashing valleys, something like that, but your shingles have good integrity, go ahead and just pay to have it repaired. However, if you know holistically if the roof is over 20 years and it has many, many problems, your best use of resources is a whole new roof rather than paying for individual repairs.